But they did not give up. Not Mayor Magalong. Nag-iimbestiga siya. Kasi nga, investigador naman talaga ang kanyang ginawa. O ang kanyang tanging ang punto, the very point why Mayor Magalong was put there was to investigate. Paano ka mag-iimbestiga wala kang tao? Pero nagawa niya. When a commission that was built supposedly to fail actually is working. How did he do it, mga kabatas natin? Binanggit yun ni Attorney Castro. They did not think Mayor Magalong can do it. Yung sinasabi nila na hindi siya mag-iimbestiga, pinunta siya dyan para mag-imbestiga. Akala kasi nila hindi siya makakapag-imbestiga kasi wala siyang tao, wala siyang pera. Pero he was able to do it. And Attorney Claire Castro will tell you how